Hey there, fellow animal lovers. Today, I want to share with you a little bit about my furry and feathery friends. So, let's start with my fish tank. I recently gave it a trim, and now it's looking absolutely amazing. The tank is full of life, and it's such a pleasure to watch my fish swim around. They're all so unique, and I love observing their different personalities. Moving on to my bird, Sunshine the Cockatiel. Oh, she's such a chirpy little thing, especially in the mornings when I take the covers off. She's always so eager to start her day, and her chirps are music to my ears. Sunshine is a great companion, and I'm so grateful to have her in my life. So, thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed this little glimpse into my animal world. If you're an animal lover like me, I'd love to hear about your pets in the comments below. And don't forget to follow and subscribe for more of my content.